Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. I know I have hard been gone for quite a while, but I'm back, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright? Number 10, Portia quits. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot essay. So PNP President Portia Lucretia Simpson Miller has announced that she will be stepping down as the head of the PNP party before September 2017. Boy, Mama P, I respect your decision, but me just wish they choose a different time for retire. You know, like how Bolter choose to retire before Justin Gatlin pick them start beating my Olympics? Yeah, there's something there. Now you step down in the middle of this.
This is one woman who never run from a fight from anyone.
This and this too.
I look like a loser to you.
One set of Jamaicans I say,
it's not over now.
while the others are saying, sir, now that you have stepped down, I guess some new people can just step up in the mix. And poor Peter Phillips still there asks.
When it's gonna be my time to shine, now I'm in my prime.
Honestly, I'm kind of very surprised that Portia actually deciding to step down. I don't know, maybe she was forced down. But even so, I'm just shocked that she decided to step down. Because me thinks Portia would have stayed in a little political work, like the Queen over England. Stay there and just now move until. Number 9, rubbing alcohol. Box cover. So what they a truck carrying one crocus bag of Ray and Nephew liquor, her turn it over upon Spur Tree Hill. Luckily, no one lost them life, but you see, before TVJ and CVM could have reached the scene, residents rushed there, confiscating, stealing. Ray, him nephew, him cousin, sister, brother, them, in-law, them, everybody get took away.
Papa don't know about it. Them don't have no mercy though. God Almighty. They just have to take up everything so they couldn't do it again.
And the poor truck driver still up on the roadside, just a process. Everybody running go pack it a little rum for the Christmas season.
Move on to the camp. You realize me, boys?
Manala drop. No, sir. Manala like kind of funny, but on no son wrong for that. Number 8, Jamaicans flee from Trump. As the Empress would have said, my people, my people, my people. So right after Trump won the US elections, these petty Jamaicans took to Facebook to share their departure from the great US of A. That sounds like such a just done complete a scene in a pantomime. Number 7, when the fluff falls. Slim gala better you can do this. Fluffy gala better you can do this. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So Miss Kitty today a Pan Chicken Festival a host. You know, I do like a usual la 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 la. Love me if you love me and if you don't a bad. Duplicitous start a hosting something.
Everybody make some nice man. Make some nice. Some Miss Kitty man.
When out of the blue. Kitty just drops her like overripe breadfruit. What a good thing say our body sturdy, because otherwise a pure mixed part would not fly out in the crowd. And we already established our Jamaican tan with freeness. Next thing we know, she get up before the 3-second rule could apply. Kitty, you know me love you, but maybe you just never did do the dance right. It's a wall up, I did a wall down. Then hear the old savage and petty man when Miss Kitty get up. The brother in the back say fluffy to the ground. That's it, we're done. Number 6, Tivoli Wars. The local government elections were coming up, and out of nowhere, some one bag of barrage of violence just started to occur in a West Central Kingston. At some point, it was alleged that Dudu's son got shot, and the residents were just in total panic and fear. Here's just a little glimpse of what took place. But, you see, in the middle of all this commotion, boy, oh boy, you just have to take bad things, make joke. This girl, in the middle of all the shootout and excitement, decides that she must go up on Snapchat, go update, fear feed.
Jesus Christ, shut up.
You tell me no. Sir. Number 5, Aishana's hidden talent. My syllable. No, sir. Aishana, you need to go in at the naughty corner for this. So the Jamaica star have a little rap session online where them invite artists to answer questions from them fans. And here, what this particular fan decide to go ask Aishana.
Daniel DC Chambers wants to know why you always sing about checking people, man.
And just listen how Aishana decide to reply.
Because that me do for a living and that me do great. You're not gonna talk about the things that we're gifted at. Yeah, I'm great at taking people, man, and taking them over.
What you say, Aishana? Yeah, real life Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. Take your man. Number 4, Flex versus Cartel. So dancehall artist Flex from the group T.O.K.
Hurry up and come back. What's the last thing she said?
Was in an interview, an Entertainment Report interview recently, where him basically say that him don't think that Vybz Kartel should be behind bars and release single after single after single, and that there are also a lot of good artists out there a road with promising careers that not get enough airplay because Vybz Kartel pretty much occupy all of the attention.
As I still don't understand how a man could be in a prison and still I get so much song I play and people out there hustling every day, studio writing good songs and them can't get them song played. So that alone just shows some mix up are going or some bias business are going.
A lot of Cartel fans are not going to like to hear that.
Well, them always attack and cow down people. Me don't care if them walk out me down. Me I talk the truth and them know the truth too.
And since then, as you can expect, him get a whole heap of backlash. People did say him bad mind, he is just a hater. And then there were those of you who were like, who named Flex? Who? Hey, who? What? Is that a bird?
Who's that? Who is it?
Who is it?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who is it?
The last thing I heard was that he was even receiving death threats. No man, Jamaican people, do better. People free to talk when they want to talk, say. You get me? But what is your take, Burritos? Do you think that Flex had a point? Or do you think he was just being a hater? I need to go back where I come from. Comment below. Number 3, Jaur flat lined. Miss Center Table. You see, because I are so late with this story, but not even gonna rinse it out fully. I just 2 scoops it out get. Scoops. So reggae singer Jaur went to the Bahamas recently when this particular video surfaced. And word on the street was that Jaur went to Bahamas, got chat up to one woman, then the woman man go catch him with her and decide to go knock him out. And people don't even bother ask me if him and his wife still there, because if you never know about, you know what? Jano, the man fall flat like Britney Spears, I try hit a high note. Him just spread out so like when sleep lick you in your mother settee. But it turns out that the rumors weren't true and he was just trying to part a fight and him just end up become a casualty.
Didn't get beat up. I wasn't in a fight. I just was trying to part a fight between 2 bahamans. One of them was crazily drunk and I fell to the ground for 2 seconds and he ran. I was just thinking for those 2 seconds, should I fight? How did I get here? And I'm so ashamed to know that I try to be a peacemaker.
Boy, the video there with the twang in there, it could have do without still. It could have do without. Jaur? Cure?
If it's a battle I fight for you, I have to win.
Lie detector test determined that was a lie.
And now check out the random video of the week.
Yeah,
Number 2, Jamaicans try the Mannequin Challenge. Alright, so people, if you do not know what this Mannequin Challenge is, you must be completely embedded in our rock. Now, and that, you know, you're inside out. Yeah? So the Mannequin Challenge basically started in the United States of America, where people just decided to pose like mannequins for a particular amount of seconds to the Ray Shremmon song.
That girl is a real crowd, please. Small.
So you just stand up and pose like the statue in Emancipation Park. And as you know, anything going on abroad, at some point Jamaicans have to go jump in at the big light and try it. There were companies doing it. Schools doing it. Or athletes did it.
Well, boy step out in the war and flap himself. I try shoot one corner, end up shot himself. Ricochet up at the wall and knock him flat in face.
But my Boxwood favorite Mannequin Challenge video is this video that was done by a country school in a Jamaica.
Come up to it.
So the whole of the pit them know what exactly the Mannequin Challenge is. But the one girl, the one person who then decide to make record the video, she never understands that you're supposed to move with the camera and follow everybody. So while everybody else are freeze, she stand up and freeze with the camera too.
Let him do it.
You're not stupid, you're sweetie. You're not stupid, no, you don't.
Dirty Shaki, we could have taken on the dog like you.
And what is funny is because we all have that one friend who don't really, keep up with the happenings, And number 1 goes to the Yellow Pages and the church. Mibula Boxfoot. So as you know, at the end of every year, the Yellow Pages releases its cover for the following year. But Boxfoot, my word, I bet the Yellow Pages wasn't ready for what was going to come from the church. The Yellow Pages decided to go with this artsy cover. And the church was like. So then the Yellow Pages were urged by the church. It's not what I really like to say the church. It was the Jamaica Coalition for Family Values, something. I can't really remember it right now, but big up for yourself, So they were urged by this group of people representing the church to change the cover or find an alternative. I don't know, people, I definitely believe that the church does have a vice because, big up church and all them something there, but they need to get them priorities right. You get me? Certain things, why no could I leave out? Like, December, the gunman, them a plan for take over the whole country. Like, jump in on that. Like, this cover, But what say you, Berritos? Do you think that the church needed to talk about this cover, or them could have just talk about other things and leave this alone? Comment below. And remember, do not hard judge a book by its cover. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media countdown. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. And do not forget to comment. The last video that I did, over 1,000 comments compared to my regular average 300 comments. And that may I try to show you the value of what in the comment and how it made me feel and how it helped my channel to grow. So if you're really a part of this Dirty Berry movement, don't just watch the video and don't even click a thumbs up like. You can't just selfish to me and to the world. So no, man, give back to the universe. Click the thumbs up button there right down here. So subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? And leave a comment. All if it is saying thumbs up because I work really hard. And it sound like me a bad one for comment, but I like hear the feedback and I like for sister people actually watch and them have concerns and them can vocalize them in the comment down below this. So left a comment because 1,000 ad me get last time. More and see if me can get 2,000 comments on this video. Or else me don't put up one. How about that? I joke, I'm put up a video, but I kind of like the comments them still, so keep them coming. Alright, follow me on my social media. It is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. Take care, until next time.